Hello everyone, this is Chris. Welcome back to Nathan 5 Chime. In today's video, just wanted to show you an update on my layout. I haven't done one in a little while, so I'll show you around at the new track and some of the wiring progress I've made. So sit back and enjoy, and I'll show you what I've done. Here's an overview of my layout. Just want to do this update, show the progress I've made. So I got some trains down here just to see what they look like. This is the lower level, and it's a staging yard or a storage yard for the trains, so they can come down to the bottom and be out of the way. When you can, run other trains up on top, you can bring one down and take one out. And I'll show you in a minute some of the wiring I've been doing. Over there, I've soldered wires to the track. And got all the switches in down here now. They're all the loops are connected. And these are 21-inch cars, I think. So I was testing the track with my largest cars. And I've also got the big auto rack down there to see about the clearances between each track. And none of the switches are wired. I have to put under the table switch motors. And this is what I've been doing with Excel, trying to make a control panel that'll be able to put the switches on here and throw them to align the tracks. So trying to work that out. And I did purchase some of the wire over there, and I'll go ahead and show you now some of the wiring I did. Well, here's where I connected the wire to the track. I used this regular household wire, and here's where I soldered two of the wires. The other one's on the other side of the rail on the outside. I soldered both sides of the rail for common because Gargrave's track's not connected. Doesn't have any connection between the outside rails. So this is how I would bend the wire. I bend it a 90 degree and then I bend it over a little bit so it'll go up against the rail. Like when it goes through, it can lay in the rail like that. And center rail, you have to, I guess, clean off the black center rail, or otherwise it won't solder. And I use a big soldering gun. I have a 300-watt soldering gun. So that's how I'm going to paint that, so it won't be that noticeable. And you can see I've done each track all the way across. This is about center way of each loop. And this is the wire I'm going to use to power the track. It's stranded 14 gauge wire. It's shielded. I got, let's see here. This is the cable right here. It's got a shield on it and a ground wire you don't really need. And then I'm going to use the Wago connectors. So this will be the drop from the track, and then I can connect it right to my cable. But my center rail, I'm going to have a relay. This is automotive relay, 12 volt, 40 amp. And I can just run a small wire to turn that on when I need power to the track. And then this connector plugs into the relay. So you'll have two wires to power the coil, and it does have a common wire and a normally open and normally closed. So you can, if you have a track you want on all the time, you could leave it de-energized, and then when you want to turn it off, you could energize it. So that's kind of, there's some Wagos. I got a whole pack of Wagos. And then I got some other security cable that I'm going to use to run power to the relays. And it's 14 gauge. I mean 18 gauge 4-stranded. 4 conductors stranded. So soon I should be able to get some power to the track and run some trains. I'll show you some of the cars from this way. Oh well, that about concludes this video. Well, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It really helps a lot and appreciate it. Looking forward to more updates and being able to talk to you again soon. Y'all take care.